Okay, so you've seen the ads, right? The slick videos for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. But what's the real deal? We're gonna dig into all the reviews to answer that one big question. Is this thing just a bunch of hype, or is it actually the new king of Android tablets?
So let's just jump right in and find out. Does this premium tablet have the goods to back up those gorgeous looks and, that pretty big price tag?
For the longest time, Android tablets kind of had this reputation for feeling, well, a little cheap, right? So let's start there. How does the S10 Plus tackle that problem? We're going to look at the build quality and, of course, that super important screen.
And right out of the box, wow, this thing is a total stunner. We are not talking about creaky, cheap plastic here. This is a top-tier, sleek, unibody aluminum design. The big thing you'll notice is just how premium it feels. This is a solid, serious piece of hardware.
Okay, but let's talk about this screen, because honestly, it's the star of the show. It's the centerpiece of the entire experience, and it's not just about looking pretty. This is where the S10 Plus really starts to pull ahead of everybody else.
So you see this number, 1500 nits, and you might be thinking, what does that even mean? Well, it's actually super simple. It's all about peak brightness. It means you can literally take this thing outside in direct sunlight and still see everything on the screen perfectly. No squinting. If you've ever tried to use a tablet at a cafe patio, this is a huge, huge win.
And it's not just about the brightness. This display is special for a bunch of reasons. You've got that dynamic AMOLED tech, which gives you those unbelievably vibrant colors and super deep inky blacks. And then there's the 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. All that means is that everything you do, whether you're just scrolling through a website or sketching something out, feels buttery smooth, just incredibly fluid and responsive.
Okay, so a gorgeous display is great for watching movies for sure, but can you actually get real work done on this thing? Let's dive a little deeper and look at the tools and the pure horsepower that Samsung crammed into this tablet.
And here's something that is a huge deal, a massive win for Samsung. The S Pen comes right in the box. You don't have to shell out an extra $100 or more like you do with the competition. It just snaps right onto the back magnetically to charge, so it's always there when you need it.
Now, for all you artists or serious note takers out there, check out this number, 2.8 milliseconds. That's the latency. It's the tiny, tiny delay between when your pen moves and the line shows up on the screen. And at 2.8 milliseconds, well, it's basically imperceptible. It honestly feels like ink is flowing right out of the tip of the pen.
And look, I know this sounds like just marketing fluff, but it's not. People who have used it say the experience is shockingly natural. That super low latency combined with this amazing screen, it just feels like you're writing on paper. It's that good.
So what's running this whole show? Under the hood, it's got the latest custom Snapdragon chip. And yeah, it's an absolute performance beast. But this isn't just about being fast today. This is about future-proofing. It means this tablet is going to feel blazing fast for years and years.
And all that power doesn't just drain the battery either. We're talking a massive 10,090 milliamp hour battery. In the real world, that translates to over 10 hours of screen on time. That's a full day easy. You can leave the charger at home. And when you finally do need to plug in, it's got 45-watt super fast charging to get you back in the game quickly. All right, so the hardware is, well, it's incredible, no doubt about it. But now it's time for a little reality check. Because for years, the big problem, the weak link for Android tablets, has always been the software. So the question is, has Samsung finally cracked the code?
I mean, this has always been the elephant in the room, right? Android on a tablet. For so long, it meant you just got these stretched out phone apps and a kind of clunky interface. It was a real problem. So what's the S10 Plus doing about it?
Well, Samsung's big answer is something called DeX mode. And this is a feature that, especially when you snap on a keyboard, completely changes the game. It transforms the regular Android experience into something way, way more powerful.
So why is DeX such a big deal? Because it gives you a real desktop-like experience. You get a taskbar at the bottom, you can open apps and windows that you can move around and resize. The whole shebang. This is the thing that turns the Tab S10 Plus from just a great tablet into a legitimate laptop replacement, a genuine workstation.
So, let's put it head-to-head with its biggest competitor, the iPad Air. When you do that, the advantages of the Tab S10 Plus really start to stand out. You're getting a much better OLED display, the S Pen is thrown in for free, you get that unique DeX desktop mode, and it's all powered by a bigger battery. Pretty compelling.
But hey, let's be brutally honest, no device is perfect. There are a couple of annoyances. First, that beautiful back is a total fingerprint magnet. And maybe more importantly, while that S Pen is free, the keyboard cover that you really need to unlock the full power of DeX, well, that's an extra purchase, and it's not cheap.
Okay, so let's bring it all together. We've looked at the amazing hardware, the powerful guts inside, and that game-changing DeX software. So what's the final word? Is the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus the one you should buy?
Here's the bottom line. This isn't just a good tablet, it's a phenomenal one. It doesn't just catch up to the competition. In some really important ways, like that incredible display and the fact that the S Pen is included, it actually blows right past them.
Yeah, this quote really nails it. This tablet is more than just an upgrade, it's a statement piece. It's Samsung planting a flag and showing the world that an Android tablet can absolutely go toe-to-toe with anyone.
And that brings us right back to where we started. Is this statement tablet the right one for you? Well, if you are looking for the absolute best, no-compromise Android tablet experience, one that has a world-class screen for your movies and shows, but also has serious tools to get work done, then the answer is a huge, resounding yes. Samsung didn't just make a great tablet here, they've pretty much set a whole new standard,